Welcome springtime to New York City, and this is a look of the cherry blossoms of Roosevelt Island, New York. The island is about 2 miles long and lined on both sides with beautiful cherry blossoms and benches to just enjoy some waterside viewing as we welcome spring into the Big Apple. And this is the bridge right here where you can sit and enjoy the view. I'll show you the view from the bench as it is that nice, but this is the bridge that you can walk to Roosevelt Island. That is the borough of Queens across the way. And this is a pedestrian bridge as well as a car path bridge, and to walk across will be absolutely free. Now this is the more known bridge. This is the 59th Street Bridge, where you can take the tram from the east side of Manhattan, 59th Street. There's also the ferry that will bring you to Roosevelt Island to see the cherry blossoms, and you can take the F train. And this is just some of the beauty on April 26th. And I'm headed towards the lighthouse. Yes, Roosevelt Island does have its own lighthouse. Till next time, happy spring from ever beautiful. I love New York.